How to add GIFs using the GIPHY in a Canva design. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the GIPHY in order to add some GIFs into your Canva design. So let me show you the step-by-step process on how you can do this. So as here you can see, I have this Canva design right here, which is essentially a Canva presentation. So let me show you how to do this. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this apps option present over the left hand side. Once you will click onto this apps option, you will need to search for GIPHY. So simply type in GIPHY, that's GIPHY. So simply search for GIPHY and hit the enter button. And from here you can see this GIPHY application. So simply click onto this GIPHY application and it will give you some information related to the same, and then you will need to click onto this open button. Once you will click onto this open button, you can see that the GIPHY interface has been successfully loaded into our Canva application as well. And from here you can see a ton of these GIPHY which are currently available, and you can also search for them as well. So you can search for any GIFs by typing in your keyword and then hitting the enter button, and you can simply search for them and the results will appear to you depending upon your internet connection speed. And then you can add any particular GIF according to your wish. So for example, let's say this particular GIF, or also you can add multiple by clicking onto them as well. So that's how easily you can add these kind of GIFs using the GIPHY in any Canva design. So that's all for this particular video. I hope this video helped you. If it did, do make sure to drop a like as well. Tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful and exciting video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.